All right, so right now, let's go ahead and program the FAQ schema into the article, into the blog post. I'll scroll down over here, and I'll click this plus button. Then I'll go and get a block for a code. All right, so over here, I'm going to click on Browse All. And then let me search for HTML, okay? So HTML. I'm going to click this. And so right now, let's go back to ChatGPT. And I'm going to say, I want you to create and program an FAQ schema, and make sure that you give the question and answer. Now, the beautiful thing about ChatGPT is that it remembers previous conversation. And so I didn't need to tell it what to remember. It actually just remembered exactly the conversation and prepared this schema for me. So all I'm going to do is, when it finishes, I'm going to copy this and integrate it inside of my blog post. So now this is finished, I can just copy code, and I can go back to Gutenberg over here. Now we have this field for HTML. Now we've added this HTML block, which will enable us to basically just add code. So I'm going to paste my code over there. And of course, this is not how it's going to look like on the website. But if you want to see how it looks like, click on the preview button over here, and it will show you what you need to see. And actually, right after we've added this FAQ, you can see over here that the score has jumped to 77. And of course, once we add some internal links inside of the post, this will make it even bigger or even better. Now you can proceed by also adding videos. Now, let's say, for example, if you have a video or a tweet, you can add that. So as a matter of fact, let me go ahead right now and search for a tweet regarding this Trump probe. So Trump probe tweet. Let's integrate that as well into the blog post because that will make it look pretty good. Now over here, we have the Associated Press on Twitter. All right, so if I scroll here, let's try to find something here. Let's try to find a tweet related to this. Specifically or preferably if it's a Donald Trump tweet, it would do much better, right? Now, let me just close this one here. Now we have this tweet by the Associated Press. Not so bad. Well, we can do with this, right? So this is a link to an article. We want the tweet. So I want to get the tweet link. Let me click. Right. So normally I should be able to access the tweet some way. I'm not a big Twitter fan here, but let me just click, for example, here. Let's see how I can add this tweet. Right. I have to log in. Well, can't actually. Let me go back, try to find a way. Trump probe, Twitter. Let's try to find some tweets. All right, so we have this tweet here by Fox News. So let me go ahead and copy this. Found the tweet finally. So I'm just going to go back over here and let's integrate this tweet on the website and make it look better. But before that, I'm going to click on publish because I don't want to lose my changes here. I want to make sure that everything is there. Let me click on publish. All right, so let me scroll down over here. Let me just, let me add the tweet in here between this. So Twitter, there you go. There is a Twitter block. Let me paste the link to my tweet and click on embed. And of course here we have a tweet, which consequently improved the SEO score from 77 to 78. So we're getting in there. We're getting in there. Now here, this is the FAQ. It was programmed in a schema code, so it will definitely do us well. And if Google decides that they will show this on Google when people search for us or find our page, they can do that. So this is how you add an FAQ schema, except for right now. Now, next, I'm going to have to go and take this post and just find the grammatical mistakes as well as the plagiarism, right? So I'm going to check it for plagiarism and check it for grammar mistakes using Grammarly.